Champion is really proven when he goes through adversity. You know, when something happens and that's taken away, that's when it's proven who you really are, because you go back and you put that work in and you become a champion again. In 1999, when I wouldn't accept that second place medallion, when they put the second place award around me, and it's like, wait a minute, you know, this is the best I ever looked in my life. You guys are not gonna like make me walk away like I failed. I succeeded. You should be a champion within your work and your crafts. But you know, we're just driven, we have a different mindset.
I think FlEX had the best genetics in the world.
FlEX really, to me, probably had the closest to perfect body in the sports history.
WHEElER during that time was a human specimen. You looked at his physique and you're like, how does this make any sense?
You know, I just wanted to be the best that I possibly could be. Realize, you know, to me that no, a champion isn't a champion because people say you are. I mean, you're a champion because of your hard work and what you put down day after day after day.
You look at their best and are measured to that forever.
This looks like a mythical god, like a Greek god from back in the days.
I haven't seen that type of shape yet. You just don't see that.
Here, it's hell. That's why I always say, man, you know, I want to go through hell, I want to train like hell, because a diamond is created in the most harmfulest, craziest environment.
Time to get busy. Let's go.
Come on.
You know, I want when they see me, they know that every day when I'm breathing, it's for us to go farther. And that's our job, is to spark somebody else watching us. I think everybody shines in different things. A lot of people have a problem being true to themselves. They have a problem looking in the mirror and looking directly into their own soul.
Tremendously when he started putting confidence in himself. He knew he had what it takes to win. It doesn't matter going out there and doing it. He had a strong will.
A lot of people can learn from, you know, that, you know, they just have to learn to believe in themselves and find and dig it with themselves. No one can do it for you.
enemy who can come up and defeat me immediately. And I know that, and I train according to that.
If I go harder, if I train longer, I can beat him.
100% I believe in myself, like I never have in anything else whatsoever. And I think come Saturday, you know, my physique and my routine will display that 100%. It doesn't matter what you place in front of me. I'm going to look at it as an object that I can handle. And, you know, my training was through the roof. My weight is just ridiculous. My condition already is ready to display that.
Like, you know, God only gives his greatest battles to his strongest warriors.